Hi, this is Terry with Trusted Water. Today I'd like to show you how to use the test strips that come with your SnapShot Water Inspection Kit. To use the test strips that come with your SnapShot Water Inspection Kit, you'll need your sample bottle and you'll need the 3 test strip vials that come with your kit. One is for copper, pH, and alkalinity. One is for nitrate and nitrites, and one is for total hardness. Now the strips all operate on the basic principle that you take a strip out of the vial, you insert it into your water sample, you take it out, you wait for a color change, and you compare it against one or more of the color scales on the sides of the bottle. So pretty simple, but we'll walk through that. First thing you'll want to do is take your sample bottle, go to your water outlet, in this case a kitchen sink, collect a sample. Okay. Next thing you'll do is you'll take a strip out of one of the vials. Let's start with the 3-in-1 test strip. This is the copper, alkalinity, and pH. So you open the vial, you remove one strip, and you'll want to make sure you close the vial because sometimes if you leave it open and you turn it to look at the scale, you'll tip out all of your test strips. So all the directions are on the side of the vials. Sometimes they require you to remove extra water by snapping your wrist. Some of them tell you how long to keep it in the water. Some of the directions will tell you how long to wait before you compare the pads on the strips to the color scale. And you'll see this one is a 3-in-1 strip. It has 3 pads for measuring different water quality parameters. So for this vial, the copper, alkalinity, and pH, you dip it in, you swirl it 3 times, you take it out, you don't shake off the excess liquid, you leave it there, hold it upright for 10 seconds, and then you compare it to the side of the bottle. The pad on the very end is for alkalinity, the pad in the middle is for pH, and the last pad is for copper, which is more of a reference because you have a copper colorimeter that is more accurate in your test kit. So that's how you measure using the test strips. Now you compare the color on the pads against the different scales on the side of the vial and choose the number that most represents the color that you're seeing on your test strip. The next one is a 2-in-1 test strip that measures nitrate and nitrite. Again, same procedure. You'll take one of the strips out of the vial. You want to close the vial. And the directions for this one are to dip it in for 1 second and remove it. You don't shake off the excess liquid and you wait for 30 seconds. Well, we don't have to wait that long to show how it works, so we'll just show like we did for the other vials, is you'll compare the color scale on the vial with the color change on the strips. The pad on the end is for nitrate. The pad further up the stick is for nitrate, and you'll see that this water has no nitrates or nitrites, which is what we would expect out of a public water system. Okay, the last strip is a single pad strip. This is for measuring total hardness. So again, we take out one strip, we close the vial. This one, you dip into the water for 1 second, and you're going to shake off the excess liquid. Hold it upright and wait for about 15 seconds for the color to change. And like the other bottles, we'll compare that color scale against the strip. And you can see this is about 50 parts per million hardness. So you can record the results on a table or a template or a piece of paper. You can even take a picture of the test strips against the vial to record the color change or the measurement, and that's it. That's all you need to do to be able to test the water with the test strips that come with the Trusted Water SnapShot Inspection Kit.